This is Ian Lamont, author of Excel Basics in 30 Minutes. Today I'm going to show you 2 ways to save a PDF in Microsoft Excel for Mac. Let's get started. So the easiest way to save a spreadsheet as a PDF in Microsoft Excel for Mac is just to go to the File, Save As, and then where it says File Format, there's a drop-down. Select that, and then you'll see an option that says PDF, and then you can save it as a PDF. However, oftentimes people, they don't want to save the whole spreadsheet as a PDF, or they want to have some control over how it looks. So what they'll do is they'll basically select a print area and then print it as a PDF. And this is how you do that. So I'm going to select, let's say, the first 6 columns here, or 7 columns. I'm going to move this in a little bit. Okay, move this one in a little bit as well. And then what I'm going to do is where it says File, actually hold on here. I'm going to select these columns, and then where it says File, Print Area, Set Print Area, and then I'm going to go to File, Print, and you can see it's still a little cut off there, so I might want to tweak that. But basically the basic idea is where it says PDF, save as PDF, you'll be prompted to save it, and then you'll be good to go. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it or subscribe. I have links to more resources in the description and bio. Thank you so much for watching.